Really wanted to showcase your home country in a fun and engaging way on social media. Static photos just don't seem to do justice, right? Well, worry no more. Let's create a vibrant and captivating reel for India. Get ready to unleash your creativity and show off the best of your homeland. Step 1. Assemble the required elements, which are first, India text pattern, second, the stickered Indian monuments. Making text pattern. Written India in Barbara font, which gives me traditional and modern vibe, a modified version of brush script. Collecting sticker monuments. Collect images depicting some parts of our nation, India. But if you apply this shadow, it will form a rectangle, which is not how we want it. We want it as it is sticker. To do that, open new page, apply background remove on the image and give outline shadow a go. It works. After doing it, position all the monuments as you like. Now if you saw the clip closely, you might saw that only partial text is overlapping the Qutub Minar, like a bookmark. To make this work, I broke the text in two parts and placed the image in between, like this, a sandwich sort of. Step 2. Now to add animations. Select all text. Use shift animation in slow speed. On Qutub Minar, baseline in slow speed. Select rest of the images and use scrapbook animation or anyone that you may like. And that's all it is to this beautiful animation. Now, it's your turn to give it a go and share it with us. Thank you for listening and see you in the next one.